Yeah, morning traders, let's start with the Bank of England because they raised rates by 50 basis points as most people expected, but I think it's their forecasts which really got the market started here. The fact that they're calling for a prolonged recession starting at the end of this year and going right through negative growth right through to Q4 23, and then after into 24 we only get flat growth and 40 basis points in 2025. So some fairly shocking revelations from the Bank of England, who are also forecasting unemployment rates at 5.6% and inflation to get up to 13% by the end of this year, and then meander down to 80 basis points by 2025. You know, I think if you look at the initial reaction in the pound, we saw it drop 122, pretty much on the figure, down to 120.66, where we found some support off that February downtrend. But you can go into the bond market. You know, your 2s, 10s in the UK got into inversion for the first time in this run. You know, we settled at 3 basis points, but we've seen good buying coming through in US Treasuries all across the curve. But 2-year Treasuries are down 4 basis points. You can see it in crude. Maybe that recession call has manifested in a weaker crude price, but you can see from the dot, from the Bank of England meeting, front month crude traded $91 down to 87.55. We saw arbor gasoline getting quite a good look. That's down fairly hard today, down to trading 290 down to 275. We've actually seen the dollar weaker on the day. So cable found some good buys off the lows. You know, we found buyers in euro dollars off those lows, but we are seeing dollar index down about 80 basis points at the moment. And one of the beneficiaries of that has been the gold market. Have a look at the daily chart of gold. It looks really quite good actually at the moment. You know, we've broken through that that bearish channel that we've been seeing. We can see risk reversals, 1 month risk reversals trading positive now. So, you know, 25 delta calls are trading rich relative to puts for the first time in a while. And you can see that gold's actually trading stronger on the day, even in the stronger currencies such as the euro and the Swedish krona, which you can see the FX moves on the day here. But the gold market having a good run, and you've seen the GLD up about 4% as well. So there's a messy tape in the equity market, if you can see here. Look at S&P futures, it's not really giving too much. We have seen some outperformance from the NASDAQ. In this session ahead, keep your eyes on payrolls. As you can see here, the figures. I think the dollar's an easy one. I think bad news is going to be bad for the dollar, certainly against the yen and the Swiss franc. Not so sure how to play it against the equity market. A strong number could actually be bad for equity. So it's a big one ahead. Trade with Pepperstone.